So we've got a big project, as you can see behind us. We've got a white T6.1 in. This is for one of our customers who needs accessible access for his wheelchair. So this one's getting a full VB air suspension, all four corners. It's the top system on the standard height, so it has the auto level function on it. But the great thing about it for our customer is that we can program a setting, because he will have access from the rear of the vehicle. That will obviously bring the vehicle all the way down nice and low for him, but we can also bring the front up a little bit. Now with the long wheelbase, that brings that rear of the vehicle down even more. So lots of different solutions here at Leighton Vans. So stay tuned for this one. Once the air suspension's gone in, we're going to be doing an LVR front on here. We'll be colour coding wing mirrors, door handles. We'll be doing an interior fit out. There's lots and lots happening on this one, so it's going to be an exciting build. Thanks guys.